So guys, you probably seen the video when my mask was burning. Yeah, right here. So I'm gonna replace that with the system sensor p2rl. Let's get started, everyone. Here we go. That was the old mask, guys, that previously burnt. Okay, now I'm gonna install the p2rl. The p2rl. Okay, it's in place. Yeah. So this old mask is getting thrown away here. Yeah. And now we have p2rl, which I'm gonna wire here. So see you guys when I'm done wiring it. Okay. I am done wiring it, everybody. Yeah. So, thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you this time.